Hey guys, today let's talk about some practical tips. Improving your aura isn't just about dressing well or wearing makeup. It requires efforts from both the inside and the outside. I've put together a super practical guide with 5 major aspects to help you master the art of enhancing your charm step by step. 1. Lay a solid foundation for your aura and become a mentally tough person. First, let's talk about managing your energy field. Try to stay calm and avoid fidgeting. For example, when someone speaks to you, pause for half a second before responding. This is called the delayed response. Spend 10 minutes every day in a quiet place, staring at an object without blinking to train your gaze, just like practicing inner strength in martial arts movies. Upgrading your cognition is also crucial. Don't rush to judge things. Try to look at yourself from an outsider's perspective, as if you're watching someone else's story. Read classics like Zhuangzi and meditations regularly to gradually broaden your thinking. 2. These methods will instantly boost your aura. For static posture, spend 10 minutes every day standing against a wall, imagining a rope pulling you upward and stretching your neck. For those with rounded shoulders, do W stretches with a resistance band. Stick with it, and your aura will soar. When sitting, remember the 3 right angles. Keep your knees, hips, and elbows at 90 degrees. This will make you look upright and elegant. There are also tricks for dynamic expressions. Don't talk too fast. Pause for 0.3 seconds between sentences. Control your hand gestures within the area from your chest to your waist. When walking, land on your heels first, and your stride length should be about 0.45 times your height. This way you'll exude confidence as you walk. 3. Enhance your beauty subtly by mastering these details. Pay attention to micro-expression management. Look in the mirror often and practice raising the corners of your mouth naturally by 15 degrees for a relaxed smile. When talking to others, shift your gaze between their left and right eyes and the bridge of their nose to appear sincere without feeling awkward. If you get nervous, press the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth to reduce trembling. You can also transform your voice. Practice abdominal breathing while lying down. Place a book on your stomach and feel the book rise and fall with your breath. Practice making the sound to feel the vibration in your chest. Record your speech once a week and listen to it to identify areas for improvement. 4. There are skills to show your charm in different situations. In social settings, when you enter a room, don't rush. Pause at the door for 3 seconds to adjust your posture before walking in. When listening to others, lean your body 45 degrees slightly to show your attentiveness. You can hold a cup of tea or a book in your hand to avoid feeling awkward. Don't slack off when you're alone. Slow down your movements. Write with a fountain pen or read while burning incense to add a sense of ritual. Visit art galleries or attend classical music concerts when you have time. Over time, the environment will naturally enhance your aura. 5. Advanced training to take your aura to the next level. The mirror training method is extremely useful. Stand in front of a full-length mirror and imagine yourself gradually becoming invisible to feel your body's state. Record videos of yourself in daily life to observe any unconscious movements and correct them if necessary. You can also choose an idol with great charm, like Audrey Hepburn or Jo Yun, and imitate one of their characteristics. You can even create an elegant persona for yourself and act according to it in daily life. Finally, let's talk about some key insights. The most sophisticated aura comes with a relaxed sense of order, neither too forced nor too casual. Don't always strive for perfection. Retaining your personal characteristics makes you more charming. Cultivating your aura is a long-term process that takes 3 to 6 months to form muscle memory. Don't be impatient. When you start practicing, don't try to do too much at once. Choose one core element and combine it with one practical application in a specific situation. For example, start by training your gaze and use the 45-degree lean rule in social interactions. Keep at it, and you'll gradually become the most eye-catching person in the crowd. If you hit a wall during practice, don't lose heart. Share your confusion in the comments section, and we can brainstorm solutions together. Don't forget to check in and record your progress. When you look back later, you might be amazed by how much you've transformed. Also remember to create an aura cultivation library. Save videos of elegant postures and inspiring quotes you've read. When you feel lost, look through them for motivation and reference. I believe that by sticking to these tips, your journey of transforming your aura will be truly rewarding.